Here is the complemented text. It has turned into, that is what clear, that the essential article visited our locale in the planetary machine. From outside the planetary framework moved ridiculously rapidly to any time. Make sure to the sun, clearly the fundamental thing that we have seen coming to us from interstellar space from amazing spots. People have been exploring space at some stage all through current quite a while, generally with ones that visit the farthest wraps up of the sun-controlled contraption and beyond. To find things that we can't with a rich telescope. The general thought is that these things exist. They're there in region and we ought to find them. However, with the disclosure of Oumuamua, the total of that changed. The noteworthy adventurer from huge nearby has been endeavored masses during the most recent 2 or 3 weeks. This object is basically a bit of another nearby BIP planetary structure that was shot. However, the James Webb Telescope settled the essentially guaranteed photo of the distant beast and has observed matters that nobody considered coming. Accompany us to we jump further into this image and how the disclosure of Oumuamua has impacted the area of science in nearby. UA is an odd and entrancing article generally. It moved out of the profundities of space and made the entire in general for slow down of the blue. While the article was showed, everyone expected to find out around it considering reality. Not the slightest bit like this had any time been seen this wide. Stoga-formed guest loathed in our nearby planetary system from a remote spot beyond our own. It is fundamentally an uncommon interstellar pioneer, wandering through the boundlessness of region to pay us a short go-to. Its unequivocal look, which appears to be a slight stogie or, as I truly prefer to call it, a ceaseless needle, makes it as conflicted with to anything that we have encountered previously. This colossal openness became made on October 19, 2017, while the DishStars 1 telescope in Hawaii explored the night sky and found the presence of AMMOA. It transformed into an extraordinary event as this demonstrated the initial time stargazers seen an article beginning from out of practitioners. Our planetary framework fundamentally more insane, changed into the way that it everything considered made it to the level of our planetary design and become headed immediately toward the path of Earth. Oumuamua's appearance changed into possibly marvelous matter that had whenever occurred, and it was pivotal to dive further into it as it appeared a parcel of like the best way to deal with opening the insiders of our sizable climate. That is the clarification. A genuine picture of it is a huge arrangement. At any rate, a picture isn't typically where they will stop. Experts have made arrangements to use the detectable James Webb Space Telescope for inspecting interstellar things as they dodge through our shut-by planetary gadget. Being the essential of its sort, the telescope's famous qualities lie in its capacity to produce and examine infrared light, making it a crucial instrument for this exceptional exploration. Furnished with cutting-edge feudal goal and absurd responsiveness gadgets, the Webb telescope has an amazing potential to take a gander at objects which are nonsensically old, far off, or black out for different telescopes to stagger on. This unbelievable sense responsiveness besides power creates a precise open door for experts to fundamentally bounce into the privileged insights of interstellar contraptions, uncovering their fabricated piece and revealing their huge substance. There's nothing more to it. Enormously challenging to take a gander at from Earth. In the event that you just analyze the things without basically getting a completely wonderful point of view on them. The James Webb Space Telescope's high-level exhibit of infrared cameras gives an extra layer of accuracy to the picture of interstellar articles. With its ruling progression, the telescope can produce tangled data and subtleties, portraying these captivating prominent pilgrims as they embrace inside our observational accomplish. So whether you are not getting valid pics which are in one piece, it can aggregate stacks while perhaps not put away of photos together to make one uber picture that has each and every detail you'll whenever want to see. Since it's miles fit for getting the smallest and most touchy parts of these interstellar things, the Webb telescope licenses researchers to direct enormous assessments and resolve the secrets that untruth concealed inside the profundities of the universe. Yet, this is only the starting. The Webb telescope without a doubt extends the limits of appraisal through permitting researchers to follow down the profundities of room at scales and wonderful stages that were previously preposterous. Starting up a space of as a self-evident reality, invigorating clinical demands and fostering the restrictions of our ability and data of the universe. Hence, they picked the James Webb Telescope over the Panars 1 telescope for this besides augmentation evaluation. That doesn't recommend that the PANS 1 telescope isn't for the most part famous at how it helps sure. Both are superb. The School of Hawaii's PANS-1 telescope remains a crucial galactic contraption, organized on the most raised sign of H at the exquisite island of Maui, Hawaii. With its 1.8-met opening, this telescope plays out an essential situation inside the incredible compartment star's undertaking. A helpful exertion related to regarded foundations, including the School of Hawaii beginning for stargazing and its Linkal Lab Maui in development by what's more, enormous execution registering center and advancement frameworks overall. At its center, the PANS-1 telescope is depended with exploring the sky for transient heavenly articles like space rocks and comets and organizing the planetary gadget in grand part. Its wide-field imaging limits and cutting-edge age make it a basic resource in the trip to explore and understand the universe. The telescope is expected for wide-field inestimable imaging, giving a sweeping perspective on neighborhood. Its central task is to conduct careful examinations of the night sky, taking photos of the brilliance of brilliant articles in optical frequencies from a long way off structures and going cloud to exciting comets and space rocks. The telescope predominantly looks at the universe, recording the wonders that populate our amazing assessed universe. To deal with the customary proportion of records occurred during those overviews, the PANS-1 telescope is based at the current PS11 picture processing pipeline. This remarkable programming authoritatively strategies and dissects huge components of observational records, dispensing with loved experiences and permitting space experts to make earth-shattering disclosures. The strength of cutting algorithms and computational strategies gets together to play a critical occupation in uncovering the covered secret inside the vast heavenly photos overcame the PANS-1. One of the best incredible limitations of the PANS-1 telescope is its commitment to the dish stars, nearby Earth object study. This serious endeavor makes a specialty of cautiously zeroing in on generally speaking sky, continually looking out close Earth things that could present a valuable open door to our planet. It was the one to find out and Oumuamua. Right away, specialists were sure beyond a shadow of uncertainty. Taking all things together probability coincidentally, that a leaning toward space rock was going towards Earth when UAM was first perceived surrounding the Sun arranged. The fundamental supposition changed into that it become an unavoidable space rock with no guarantees, a large part of the time the case with various unidentified space battles. Its look and direct radiated an impression of being strong with that association, driving cosmologists to arranged as such. Later, all it thought about an unprecedented stone plunging through the planetary contraction, a conventional sight in grandiose observations. However, as experts went out to process and explore the records gathered from Oumuamua, it rapidly became impeccable that this interstellar traveler became something atypical. Its specific credits went against essential demand, prompting specialists to re-examine their basic assumptions. Rather than standard space rocks, UAM showed one-of-a-kind limits that set it aside from any brilliant article previously tracked down. Perhaps the most striking part of Oumuamua was its expand structure. Seeing back to a little stogie or a broad needle as tangled with the changed shape routinely connected with space rocks, the odd morphology tested present models of brilliant article design and progress, raising issues about the cycles at risk for adornment. Oumuamua's structure not persevering through its deferred structure. Oumuamua besides showed fast distress turning on its middle at a rate curiously rapid for a mean space rock. This impetus turn correspondingly exceptional away from known superb our bodies and acquainted with the thrill ride incorporating its starting point. Additionally, UA validated strange miracle groupings since it gone through space, suggesting potential anomalies in its piece or surface characteristics. The ceaseless evaluation of Oumuamua has goaded intense, consistent conversation and speculation with researchers proposing unique theories to figure out its secretive components. Some speculate that it might be a part slung from a greater body in a distant star structure, while others propose streaming powers as the part behind its extended shape. Regardless of these proposed explanations, uncertainties regarding Ouma's genuine quintessence come through, highlighting the necessity for extra assessment and understanding. Oumuamua's compact passage through our Sun-based system gave a fascinating and open entryway for stargazers to focus on an interstellar visitor extremely close, commitment-critical bits of knowledge into the possibility of things starting from past our own planetary gathering. Since its disclosure, researchers have consistently separated the data collected during its visit, searching for signs about its beginning, combination, and direct. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its undeniable level capabilities, is prepared to play a fundamental role in unraveling the mysteries surrounding Oumuamua and other interstellar articles. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the telescope promises to enhance our ability to observe and analyze faraway heavenly bodies, opening new disrupted areas within the assessment of the universe. The sincerity of the situation was highlighted by Oumuamua's fast speed through our sun contraption. Time happened to the essence. An expert speculated an imperative mission. They had a critical 11 days to hoard so much data as possible about this hazardous explorer before it wound up being nonsensically far off to examine. In expansion, over the long lobby, the normal chance to get information dwindled, commending the prerequisite for expedient and green spotlights on. The strain changed into mounting, figuring out that any put-off could imperil their understanding into this perfect article. Once UAM left the planetary gathering, there may not be one more bet to get the records once more. This changes into an extraordinary open approach to set up each accessible trained professional and contraption to gather assessments and have a view it truly. However, getting a rush of information didn't by and large convey clearness and scattered the problem. Including this dark thing, as the data arose, the secret counting Oumuamua least complex accomplished the astounding credits and disappointing way of acting of this interstellar guest, kept on astounding specialists, leaving them with extra recognizable demands than techniques. Why you use excursion through our sun-based contraption days was one of the most amazing, invigorating, and puzzling practices in later bombastic records. Found in October 2017 through the Panars 1 telescope in Hawaii, this interstellar guest promptly got the thought of trained professionals and the overall public. Its size and shape got together with the lack of regular eminent cutoff points, conflicted with standard assumptions, and achieved inquiries around its establishment, heading, and nature. The unequivocal attributes of UUA started out absurd lucid examination, prompting the idea of different speculations to give an explanation for its bizarre limits. One clear hypothesis incited that UUA might be a pie shot from a bigger edge in a megastar contraption. This theory proposed that impacts or gravitational correspondences inside its figure gadget should have moved UUA into interstellar space, at last, setting it on a course that presented it within our planetary social gatherings region. Each other persuading clarification recommended streaming forces as the forming structure behind Oumuamua's postponed improvement. In a state of harmony with this hypothesis, the gravitational powers applied through a passing genius or a huge planet should have extended UUA into its unusual development since it explored space. This streaming expanding circumstance gave an expected plan to address the item's setting look while raising surprising issues about the particular processes shaping things inside the interstellar medium. In spite of these proposed factors, shortcomings regarding Oumuamua's real embodiment continued to fill constant discussions within the clinical neighborhood. The article's astonishing size and fast speed presented extra challenges for cosmologists attempting to relax its secrets. UUA's delayed plan and quick upset impelled a truly conflicting body instead of any perceived comet or space rock within our sun-based system. As Oumuamua passed by our sun-based gadget, researchers promptly clutched the chance to gather as much information as possible beforehand it moved past the assortment of understanding. The centrality of the situation highlighted the prerequisite for speedy and helpful assessments, driving accommodating endeavors among space experts around the world. Observatories and telescopes around the field accelerated their efforts to capture valuable data about this extraordinary visitor. As Oumuamua's trajectory took it farther from our solar system, scientists faced the challenge of analyzing the amassed data to decipher its secrets. However, the mystery surrounding Oumuamua only deepened as researchers delved deeper into the information gathered during its brief visit. The ongoing analysis of Oumuamua's data revealed additional abnormalities that deviated from conventional explanations. Its trajectory through our nearby planetary group deviated from the typical paths of comets and space rocks, suggesting an intriguing interplay of gravitational forces and other dynamic components at play. The discovery of Oumuamua ignited a flurry of scientific discussion and speculation, with experts proposing various theories to make sense of its peculiar characteristics. Some theorize that UUA is likely a fragment ejected from a larger body in a distant star system, while others suggested that streaming forces could explain its elongated shape. Despite these proposed explanations, uncertainties about Oumuamua's true essence persisted, underscoring the need for further examination and understanding. The brief passage through our solar system provided a unique and captivating opportunity for astronomers to study an interstellar visitor up close, offering valuable insights into the nature of objects originating from beyond our own planetary system. In the years following Oumuamua's discovery, scientists have continued to analyze the data accumulated during its passage, searching for clues that could reveal truths about its origin and characteristics. The persistent investigation of Oumuamua serves as a testament to the enduring curiosity of the scientific community and its remarkable capacity for discovery. As researchers delve deeper into the evaluation of Oumuamua's observations, they uncover more anomalies that challenge existing models and provoke further inquiry. While the true nature of Oumuamua may remain elusive for now, its passage through our solar system has sparked renewed interest in the study of interstellar objects, underscoring the importance of continued exploration and discovery in expanding our understanding of the universe. With advancements in technology and the upcoming launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, the future holds promising possibilities for unraveling the mysteries of these enigmatic celestial travelers. As we strive to unlock the secrets of Oumuamua and other interstellar objects, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate processes shaping our cosmos and the boundless wonders it contains. The relentless pursuit of understanding Oumuamua and its implications extends beyond mere scientific curiosity. It embodies humanity's enduring quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and comprehend our place within it. Each revelation, no matter how small, brings us closer to unraveling the enigma of this celestial wanderer and sheds light on the complex mechanisms governing the universe. As we continue to explore and analyze the data gathered from Oumuamua's fleeting visit, we embark on a journey of discovery that transcends borders and unites scientists from diverse backgrounds in a shared pursuit of knowledge. The collaborative effort to decipher its secrets underscores the importance of international cooperation and interdisciplinary research in advancing our understanding of the cosmos. Moreover, the significance of Oumuamua extends beyond its individual characteristics. It serves as a symbol of the countless mysteries that await discovery in the vast expanse of space. Its enigmatic nature challenges us to question existing paradigms and inspires us to push the boundaries of scientific exploration further than ever before. With each passing day, our understanding of Oumuamua deepens, unveiling new insights and raising new questions about the nature of interstellar objects and the origins of our universe. As we strive to unlock the secrets of Oumuamua and other celestial phenomena, we embark on a voyage of discovery that promises to reshape our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it.